Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Telegram chat folder. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Telegram app on your phone, then you click on the gear button, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on chat folder. So if you don't have any chat folder, you have to create a new one, but currently I actually have a chat folder with 3 or 4 channels, group channels inside of it. So I'm just going to click. You can see I have about 3 groups in this folder. So right now what I want to do is I want to share the link to this chat folder. So right here I'm just going to I'm going to come down here, which is share folder. Then I'm going to click on this link, then I'm going to copy it, or probably I can simply get a QR code for this particular folder, then I'll share it. And if I want a new link, if I want to create a new link for this folder, I'll just click on create, then I can easily copy or share it. So for it to share, just quickly locate the person you want to share it with, or probably you copy the link, or you can easily click on this. If you are using iPhone, just click on this arrow up button. Once you click on it, then it takes you to other app where I can easily share the Telegram chat for my folder, which is pretty cool. Once you're done, then you tap on save, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.